You can review the balance sheet of your matter from the shared pool screen. Go down to this work area here and press on Balance Sheet. This gives you the ability to generate an up-to-date balance sheet which will give you assets, liabilities, super and income, and it'll be numbered and correctly added. Choose the appropriate format. You have the choice of Word or PDF. Word you would use, particularly if you wanted to share with the other side. So let's choose Word. Let's generate the balance sheet and you would download it from here. Okay, here we have our balance sheet. Let's look at it in a little bit of detail. Here we have assets and it's set out so that we retain our indexing. Ownership is reflected, a brief description, the type of asset and the value. You'll notice that the category is added. Similarly for liabilities and for superannuation. Notice that we have current ownership, which will reflect the allocation of each category to the individuals, give you a net worth excluding super and including super. And here we have Kate's income. If you found that there's a change that you want to make, you could make it in this document. But if you were to take the link here, this would take you back to one-click disclosure. And what that means is any change you make will be permanently reflected in the system as opposed to simply making it in the document, which is where it would stay.